OpenAI just smashed the glass. Sam Altman just declared code red inside the company, pausing money-making projects and told to focus on one big project, saving ChatGPT from Google Gemini 3.2 Pro. So in this video you will able to know like what exactly the code red project is, what exactly the code red is, and why Sam Altman suddenly introduced this alertness, and what is meant for you, and why and how it is affecting you. So all these things you will be able to know in this video. So let's start the video. Okay, so if we go just before 2 to 3 years ago, then when the OpenAI introduced the first ChatGPT model, then it became the buzzword around the world. So now the coin has flipped. With the launch of the Gemini 3.2, it is beating ChatGPT's latest model in various benchmarks. For example, like in coding, reasoning, and multimodal tasking. And it is plugged into the Google search bar, YouTube, and other platform. So the Google has one main advantage is that they have all these billion users data, so they can just track their users and they can just integrate the AI in their best place. That's the biggest advantage that the Google have right now. So according to various reports, it is said that Sam Altman sent an internal memo named code red for ChatGPT. So this basically means a high alert urgency for ChatGPT. So by reports, it is believed that in this project the main focus is to withdraw the attention from non-side projects. Okay, the projects that is not focusing on the ChatGPT's core principles and the core model, and it basically means like to improve the model's efficiency and the speed of the the model that they are answering. So all these things, so to improve all these things, basically this code red means. Okay, so why the ChatGPT makers are afraid from the launch of the Google Gemini 3.2? Basically it is publicly saying like the Gemini 3.0 is much better in various benchmark, like as I mentioned earlier, in coding, in reasoning, and all other stuff. And by reports, it is it is said that the users, almost like 6% users, have shifted from ChatGPT's model to Gemini 3.0 model. So it's very very high number. If you just compare these two big companies, then it's also a big number. And to raise the capital in future, the OpenAI should make ChatGPT the best model out of their competitors. Otherwise, if the model is beaten by like Gemini 3.2, then there will be a question raised on the OpenAI's companies, like how these models are beaten by these models. So to become number one and to stay on the number one place, you need to improve your model and you need to focus on the core projects, not other side gig projects. So by this what happens to the common people. So by this project, you can just expect like in upcoming months or years, the ChatGPT model will improve a lot. It will give faster replies. You can upload more file size of PDF files and other stuff, and the AI race will be there, and you will get more useful products and useful models which will reduce your workload, and you can just become more productive than before. So that's the basically this code red project means. And if you like the video, just hit like, share, and subscribe. And in future I will also upload many interesting topics related to AI. Thank you.